guys, this is Joeteck from Joeteck Tips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and I got a product for you. It is a PanaVise 300 series. This thing is definitely like a helping hand. If you wanted to work on a circuit board and you needed a third hand, it's like the coolest thing. I bought this many months ago, and I finally got an opportunity to open it up and do a review. This thing is sick. Check this thing out. This is a high quality US made product. It is incredible. You have the ability to mount it to the desk. It does come with 6 feet. There are 6 locations around the bottom of this to add the rubber feet, as well as screwing it to the base, to an area where you do all your soldering work or your physical work on it. It's completely adjustable, so you could go up and down with it. You could spin it. You could put it in any direction you wish, and then tighten it up. Has the ability to open up really far. Absolutely incredible. Look at that. I like this thing. This is made strong. Let's say, for argument's sake, we're going to work on this screwdriver. Tighten it down. Look at this. That's how strong it is. It's crazy. You can work on pretty much anything you wish. Circuit board. I mean, I'm just grabbing anything. I can put my phone in here. You know, you can put all kinds of things. This is a really well-made product, made in the USA. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this. It's called the PanaVise 300 series. Built incredible. Absolutely incredible. Wow. I like it. I like it a lot. This is going to be very useful in my workshop, because now that I have it, now I can mount this bad boy. Sick. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.